Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix stick drift on PS5 controller. So these methods will be quite easy and simple, and you don't need to basically take a part of your controller. Everything can be done in a few minutes, and then you can test it out if it's working for you or not. And super fast and easy. So the first method, what I suggest you to do here is to locate your basically control analog that is getting stick drift. So let's say this one, and then just move it from right, for example, from left to right, and then it will be a space here. So what you need to do here in the space, you need to blow an air, right? So from 3 to 5 times, and do with all the sides. Then move from up to down, blow air, from right to left, blow air here, and then from down to up, right, and blow air here, right? And then look if the problem persists or not. And after you blow air, another thing that you need to do here, also press this part of your controller with a little bit of force, of course not a lot, don't break your controller, and then do with all the sides. So from down to up, press and use a little bit force, then from right to left and use a little bit of force, then from left to right and hold it for a bit, and then from up to down, right, and hold it as well. And the last thing, what I suggest you to do here, just press and hold your sticks from 10 to 20 seconds, and then after that just circle around, right, around 5 times, 10 times, while pressing the sticks. Then circle around in another side, and then after you do so, just then press and hold for another half a minute, right? And then look if you're getting stick drift or not. So if it was some not serious problems, mild maybe debris, some sort of dirt falling into your joystick and is basically doing stick drift, you will fix that. But of course, if it's more technical issue here, you need to just replace your maybe analog or replace your controller, right? So try it and comment in the comment section below if it's worked for you or not, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it.